Welcome inside, executive 2-bedroom apartment with SQ hence 3 bedrooms master ensuite, fully furnished spacious apartment in the heart of Westlands, Nairobi. This hidden gem is a 5-minute drive from Sarit Center, Westgate Mall, and Aga Khan Hospital. Apartments, features, high-speed internet, smart TV with free, Netflix, 24/7 security, CCTV, high-speed lifts elevator, backup generator, free parking, laundry area, gym, intercom, balcony, rooftop access to view Nairobi, bright and spacious lounge with dining area and sun-bathed balcony. The apartment is super spacious, with lots of room to move around. The living room has a comfy sofa, a classy coffee table, and a 7-seater dining table. There is a glass door leading to the balcony for views and fresh air. Premises have free high-speed internet 20 megabits per second that comes with a complimentary free Netflix account. The TV is Android, HD and 50-inch. Modern open-plan kitchen that extremes from the living room, very spacious, and has all the equipment needed to make your cooking experience fun and easy. In-built cooker, toaster, fridge, microwave, hot water kettle are just but a few of the appliances provided. Cooking pots and silverware are also provided. Bedrooms are spacious, each with queen-size beds, built-in wardrobes, gigantic, and the master bedroom, and SQ is ensuite. Bathrooms are huge with lots of space, clean and with toiletries provided including tissue paper, air fresheners, and hand towels. The laundry basket is also provided for used clothes. Cleaning can be done at a fee at your own cost. Guest access. Guests are allowed to move around the entire apartment freely. 1. Shared spaces include a fully equipped gym on the 9th floor. 2. Fast and clean elevator is on the premise. 3. Ample and secure parking in the basement. 2 vehicle spots available. There is a security guard to show you where to park. 4. Self-check-in. There is a key lockbox that I will share password details after the booking is confirmed. Other things to note, as part of hosting guests, I also offer other services and experiences around Kenya, Nairobi. These include 1. Experiences around Nairobi and Kenya at large. 2. Car hire services. Kenya is known as a tourist destination, especially because of the Masai Mara, home to the famous wildebeest migration, and Nairobi National Park, the biggest park within a city in Africa. We offer shared or private safaris to the Masai Mara with a variety of hotels to choose from. We also plan excursions around Nairobi such as 1. Nairobi National Park. 2. Giraffe Center. 3. David Sheldrick Trust, Elephant Orphanage. Other day trips include 4. Hell's Gate. 5. Karita Forest zip lining, paintball, archery. 6. Hikes Mount Longonot, Mount Kenya, etc. 7. Lake Magadi.